The other important point in chapter 4 is forgetting. Previously, we have discussed the concept of memory. As we said, memory means it is a process of retaining or collecting information in our mind, and then we use that information again and again by taking information from the long-term memory, like put or store money in the bank. But now we will focus on the issue of forgetting. The first one is the meaning and the concept of forgetting. Forgetting means, in short, loss of information because of different factors. Sometimes we are forgetting information because we are being motivated to forget that information. This is known as what? Motivated forgetting. The first attempt was made by the German psychologist. His name was Hermann Ebbinghaus. Hermann Ebbinghaus was a German psychologist who attempted to study about motivated forgetting. He conducted a study by measuring the memory system right now and after a certain period of time. So by measuring how easy it was to retain and give a list of words after varying period of time from initial learning had passed, he found out that forgetting occurred systematically. So he studied about forgetting system by conducting an experiment. So according to his study, the most rapid forgetting occurs for the first hours, for the first or second hours. Particularly in the first hour, many of us forget vast amount of information. But if the information passed from sensory memory to short-term memory and long-term memory, probably that information may not lost if it survives with us for more than 9 hours.